Now children, we will see another topic, increase or decrease as percent. In our day to day life we come across many situations. हम कई बार ऐसी situations हमारे सामने आती हैं जिसमें पहले वैल्यू कुछ और होती है और बाद में घट जाती है. Suppose we take an example that let us take tomatoes. Just an example I am giving children. Suppose first the price of tomato was ₹20 per kg. Now we are getting it for rupees. This is the old price. Now we are getting it for rupees 35 per kg. तो क्या हुआ? The value of the price of tomatoes have increased. Isn't it? The price of tomatoes has increased. First it was ₹20, now it is ₹35. तो अगर आपसे कोई रुपीस में पूछे तो आप बहुत इजीली बता सकते हैं कि 15 रुपीस प्राइस इसका बढ़ गया है. Okay, suppose first you used to purchase Maggi, you used to get it for ₹10. Now the same pack you get for ₹15. Now you get it for ₹15. So previously the price was ₹10, now it is 15. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि 5 रुपए कीमत मैगी की बढ़ गई है. Suppose in the test of 20 marks, last time you got 12 marks. And this time you scored only 8 marks. So what has happened? Your marks has reduced. Your marks has decreased. First you scored 12. This time your score is 8 only. Okay children? तो ऐसी situations हमारी life में अक्सर आती रहती है. We hear our parents also saying that nowadays the prices are going too high, or sometimes we say the prices are going too down. So this is the thing, means previously something else was the price, now the prices are different. तो कभी prices बढ़ जाते हैं, कभी prices घट जाते हैं depending upon the situation. तो ये तो हम रुपीस में निकाल रहे हैं, like here the increase is ₹15, here the increase is ₹5, here the decrease is 4 marks. लेकिन हमसे अगर कोई बोले कि कितने परसेंट मार्क्स डिक्रीज हुए, या टोमेटो की कीमत कितने परसेंट बढ़ गई, या मैगी की कीमत कितने परसेंट बढ़ गई, तो हाउ वी विल फाइंड दैट. ओके, on this part is, this topic is based on that only. So to find out the value children, very direct formula is given. That formula only we have to apply in this and we'll get the answer. For example, means the formula is percentage increase or decrease, whatever it is. Percentage, let me write it here children. We'll take some other examples to understand it. I'll write the formula here. The formula is percentage increase or decrease. In short, I'll write is given by amount of change upon original amount और उसको बेस भी कहते हैं, ओरिजिनल अमाउंट को बेस कहते हैं, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. This is how you have to do it. Amount of change upon original amount into 100. अब इसको हम कैसे समझेंगे? Suppose हमने बोला मैगी first we used to get for ₹10, now we are getting it for ₹15. तो ये उसका ओरिजिनल अमाउंट है. ओरिजिनल मतलब बिगनिंग में जितना था. ओके, दिस इज द ओरिजिनल अमाउंट. अब चेंज कितना हुआ है? चेंज हुआ है ₹5. 15 रुपीज नहीं है, 15 रुपीज तो अब कीमत होगी, लेकिन चेंज कितना आ गया है? 10 से 15 हो गया. तो कितना चेंज आया? 5 रुपीज का चेंज आया. अपॉन ओरिजिनल अमाउंट वॉज 10 इंटू 100. सो ये कैंसिल हो गया. 5 इंटू 10, 50%. By 50% the prices have increased. Okay. अब जैसे आपको पहले मिले थे 12 मार्क्स, फिर मिल गए 8 मार्क्स, तो आपके ओरिजिनल मार्क्स कितने थे? 12. दिस इज योर ओरिजिनल मार्क्स. और चेंज कितना आ गया 4 मार्क्स का. सो अमाउंट ऑफ चेंज इज 4. ओरिजिनल मार्क्स इज 12 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. सो हाउ वी विल डू इट. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 100 divided by 3, something around 33.33 we will get. So this is the change in the percentage. I hope you are getting it, children. It is very simple. Means amount of change upon original amount multiplied by 100. Now let us see the examples given in your book. One example is given that the population of the state increased from. Population of the state पहले था 5,50,000. This was the original. Originally it was this much. Then it increased, बढ़ गया. ठीक है, कितना हो गया 6,05,000. So you have to find the percentage of increase in the population. अब percentage of increase के लिए ये तो original है, ठीक है. So original it will come in the denominator. And what is the change? Let us see the change. Change is 0, 0, 0, 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. And this will also become 0. So 55,000 into 100. So these two zeros will get cancelled. These two zeros will get cancelled. So 550 divided by 55, answer will be 10. So 10% increase in the population is there. Okay, the population is increased by 10%. This is how we can find out, children. See another example. I hope you people are not getting confused, children. It is very simple. Another example is a school team won 6 games this year. इस साल कितने games run करे? 6 games. Won 6 games. And against 4 games won last year. Last year कितने games win करे थे? 4 games. अब एक स्कूल की क्रिकेट टीम है जिसने पिछले साल 4 गेम्स जीते थे, इस साल 6 गेम जीते हैं. What we have to find out? We have to find the percentage increase. What percentage increase? तो पहले 4 गेम्स थे, अब 6 गेम्स हो गए, तो कितने गेम्स ज्यादा हो गए? 2 गेम्स. The amount of change is 2 games. What was the original number? 4 multiplied by 100. So 4 1s are 4. 4 25s are 100. So 25 2s are 50% matches are increased. Okay, 50% matches जीत increase हो गई है. Okay, one more example. Last example, children. I hope by now it might be very clear to you. They are saying the number of illiterate people in the country decreased from 150 lakh. Originally it was 150 lakh. Now it has decreased to 100 lakh. पहले कितने थे? 150 लाख थे, अब हो गए 100 लाख. मतलब कितने लाख लोग कम हो गए? 50 लाख. दिस इज द चेंज. ये चेंज आ गया. अब ओरिजिनल कितने थे? 150. सो चेंज अपॉन ओरिजिनल मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. सो 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 50 into 2, 100 divided by 3. Again it will be 3s are 9. Then again 3s are 9 and 1. So it will be 33 and 1 upon 3%. So this is the change in the, this is the percentage change in the or decrease in the percentage of illiterate people. This 33 and 1 upon 3% people have reduced. Literate people have reduced. So this is how you have to do these sums, children. Now in the next video we will see some exam questions given and try these. By then watch this video and try to understand it. Thank you, children.